Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 4-hour chart of GBPUSD. If you have already watched the previous video on Euro USD and Gold USD that I uploaded today, probably you have the basic idea of what I'm about to speak right now, because almost all the USD pairs are behaving in the same manner. So at first, let's have a look at the chart of DXY, US dollar currency index, because dollar is not only the most popular currency in the world, but it also plays a huge role in the Forex market. So as expected or as discussed in our previous video, the level of 105.50 to 105.40 is acting as the support for DXY right now, and the reason is previous resistance is acting as support here. You can see this was the resistance and right now this is the new support for the market. And you will see a silence in the market right now. Most of the pairs are sleeping right now because the reason is market is just waiting for the big event of tomorrow, it is NFP. So as a result, there's a high chance, high possibility that market will remain like this. You may not get to see some crazy moves of extreme volatility in the market till NFP. So in case during the US session, market shows extreme volatility, still there's a high chance that market will come back to the previous position again. So let's wait and watch, and please plan your trades accordingly. In this situation, in case you see any kind of breakout also, not only GBPUSD, in other pairs also, please be careful, because for a breakout or breakdown, market requires volume. Market requires volatility. If the volume is missing in the market, volatility is missing in the market, then there's a high chance that it will lead to false breakout. And as we all know, false breakout is a bitter reality of the market, so please be careful till tomorrow. So now let's discuss about GBPUSD. First of all, I would like to discuss about the 4 hours time frame, because on the 4 hours time frame we can see a clear bearish flag here. I was about to say engulfing pattern. This is a clear bearish flag on the chart of GBPUSD. Bearish flag usually is a trend continuation pattern, and there's a high chance that market will be going down. But as I just said, okay, you need to be careful before NFP, because as there is less volume in the market, less volatility in the market, it may look like a breakdown, but it may ultimately lead to a false breakout. So once, if you see also, okay, during the day, if you see market breaking the flag and going down, please look at the chart of DXY once. Just see how DXY is reacting or performing. If you see that GBPUSD is going for a breakdown, but DXY is silent, slipping, then there's a high chance that it will be a false breakout. So please be careful. For additional confirmation, always use the chart of DXY. So we have a bearish flag on the chart of GBPUSD. But if we move to the 1 hour time frame, okay, we can see the market is sideways, just like the other US dollar pairs. So during the day, if you're looking for a breakdown, then there's a high chance that you may not get any trading opportunity. So as a result, what you can do is you can look for buy at support and sell at resistance. And usually in a choppy market or sideways market, when there is less volume also, okay, this is the best trading strategy you can follow. Not only in Forex market, in any market of the world you can follow this trick. If you see a market in uptrend, then in any market of the world you can simply look for buy at dip strategy. Means whenever market will come to support and bounce, look for a buy. If a market is in downtrend, you can look for sell on rise strategy. Whether it is stock market, Forex market, doesn't matter. Whenever market will hit the resistance and reverse, go for a sell. Buy at support, sorry, buy at dip, sell on rise. And in sideways market, okay, in sideways market, you cannot look for buy at support or sell on rise, because this is not a trending market. Okay, this is a choppy market, sideways market. So buy at support and sell at resistance is the best trading strategy for any sideways market. And in sideways market, the static support resistances also work nicely. So in this case, for today, before NFP, this is the level in front of us right now. Okay, so first of all, let's discuss about the level of 1.18 58 or 60. This is the resistance, or the high made by the market is the resistance for the day. If you see market going up, as you can see, market is already approaching the resistance. If you see market going up, observe the market. If market reverses, look for a sell. If you see market showing price rejection from above, if you see market showing shooting star kind of a pattern, it will give you the confirmation that sellers are still present. You can also switch to the 15 minutes time frame, okay, for uh, quick signals. So if you see market going up and reversing, you can look for a sell. On the other hand, if you also see market breaking the flag and going if breaking the flag and going up, do not take a sell position immediately, because as I said, there can be a false breakout as well. And see, SL hunting, stop loss hunting is also a bitter reality of the market. And if there is not much volume, market is going for a breakout, this is not a good sign. So if market goes up, observe the market around this area. As you can already see that we have a bearish flag formation, so market may reverse again. If market reverses according to expectation, you can look for a sale. Okay, so this is the trading strategy you can follow for the day. In case DXY drops during the US session, in case there is a sudden fall on DXY, then market may show some corrections. Market may go up, breaking the flag, then that's a different chapter. You can look for a buy position, but for that we need move. If the market is not moving, this is the best strategy you can follow for the day. On the other hand, in case market starts falling, then we have support around 1.1800 or 1.1804. This is the support on the chart of GBPUSD right now. See, we have a bearish flag on the higher time frame, so this is not a proper support. This is just the previous low, but we are still considering it as a support because there is not much volatility in the market. So if market starts coming down, observe the market around this area. If you see DXY is slipping and GBPUSD is trying to take support, if you see a hammer kind of a pattern, price ejection from below, you can go for a buy position with proper risk management. See, no strategy is 100% accurate, no trader is 100% accurate. 100% accuracy is not possible in the market. So as a result, risk management is considered as the supreme. So do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Capital protection should be your first priority always. Never forget that a retail trader mostly keeps eye on the profit, but the main reason why professional traders make money is that because at first they always look at the loss. Okay, they try to control their loss. If you can control your loss, then profit will come automatically. Okay, anyways, that we will discuss in some other videos, but this is the trading strategy you can follow for the day. Okay, my dear friends, and as you already know that the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again, that I conduct every 1 month or 2 months. The workshop is available in both Hindi and English. If you really like my work, if you really consider trading to be a serious source of income, if you want to learn, then you can consider joining the 3 days workshop. The next dates are 16th, 17th and 18th of March. Everything is mentioned on the website, the timing, the dates, everything. Okay, so my dear friends, this is a workshop that I have designed for those people who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months and years. So if you're a complete beginner, then this workshop is not for you, okay, because I'm not going to teach you A, B, C, D. Okay, so I have also given a set of questions so that you can understand the workshop will be useful for you or not. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. Hard work beats everything. Pro Trader program is the main thing. The workshop is just a part of the Pro Trader program. So here you can see the 10 benefits of joining the Pro Trader program. Okay, everything is mentioned on the website. The best part is after the workshop, you will also receive support for 1 month. So even if you join now, don't worry, you'll still receive support for 1 month after the workshop. Feel free to join if you are really looking for some learning in the market. Bye-bye. Take care.